The world of architecture is about to be shaken up by a bold new practice, bricolage, led by the visionary Will Howard. But here's where it gets intriguing: bricolage isn't just a name, it's a philosophy that challenges the status quo. Based in Lewisham, London, Bricolage was founded in September 2025 by Howard, who brings a wealth of experience from his time as an associate director at dRMM. With over a decade of expertise in housing-led regeneration projects, Howard is no stranger to the industry. But it was his recent self-build house project in Lewisham that ignited a passion for a different approach. The self-build journey was transformative. Howard, together with his partner, took on the role of developer, architect, contractor, site manager, and even carpenter and cabinet maker. This hands-on experience taught him the true meaning of accountability and the power of independent problem-solving. And this is the part most people miss: it's not just about building a house, it's about building a mindset. Bricolage is a call to action, a movement that encourages building with integrity and community-driven retrofit projects. Self-build is not for the faint-hearted, but Howard believes it can be a powerful way to deliver homes, offering financial benefits and unlocking overlooked sites. It's a direct challenge to conventional development models, and with government support, it could revolutionize the industry. The name bricolage is a nod to the concept popularized by anthropologist Claude Lévi-Strauss, reflecting an approach that values creativity, resourcefulness, and sustainability. It's a response to global contradictions, where endless growth has led to ecological crises, and technology is both the problem and the proposed solution. Bricolage advocates for reuse, circular design, and a culture of self-reliance. Starting a practice is challenging, especially with financial constraints and a young family. Howard acknowledges the barriers to entry and the current slowdown in architecture and construction. He aims to contribute to a much-needed shift toward sustainable and equitable building practices. To diversify income, Bricolage is engaging in various projects, from smaller domestic works to consultancy and teaching. The Russ project at Church Grove in Lewisham is a shining example of Bricolage's inspiration. This community-led self-build carries forward a rich local history, echoing the spirit of earlier experiments in self-reliance and collaboration. It's a powerful demonstration of how good architecture can emerge from shared ownership and trust. When it comes to AI, Howard is cautious yet curious. While recognizing its potential to transform creative practice, he emphasizes the importance of retaining the human spirit in architecture. Bricolage is about doing it yourself, and AI, for now, doesn't quite fit that ethos. Marketing-wise, Bricolage has relied on word-of-mouth and professional networks, with a notable success in the Portobello Promenade Civic Hub competition. The future looks bright, with plans to enter more design competitions and collaborate with like-minded practices. Bricolage is more than just a practice, it's a manifesto for a new way of building. Will you be a part of this architectural revolution?